Ken,
always
picking up the wood, baby, huh?
Next Rory vlog or whatever?
It's the ongoing Rory and Ken vlog.
Did you get what I was talking about before?
No.
Thank God.
Oh yeah, he's bad. So this is we're gonna get the wood on this bad boy today. What are you doing, Ken?
Checking my honeybees.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
this isn't a honeybee vlog. It's a black walnut vlog.
I have to like check on my bees whenever I'm near them.
All right, that's cool. Okay, now it's Roy's turn. You watched me, right? The last couple times? Oh, that's heavy, Ken.
Oh, man.
All right. I'm pretty psyched about this happening. So, Ken, he's moving it all for me right now. So. That's a heavy piece. That way. Ooh, baby, nice.
Wait, it's your turn.
No way.
I'm gonna be first.
No way.
It's ready? Come on. I'll talk you through it. I'm not gonna pick the log up yet. Is it on? Okay, you want to go up a little higher with the boom. Just figure what does that. There you go. A little higher, a little higher. Right, that's good. Go. Get it over the trailer. Okay, then push the other handle. Now you can let go at any time.
Yeah, baby.
That was pretty fun, Ken.
You like that, Rory?
Yeah. I think I should be an excavator operator rather than a camera operator.
I know.
It feels like a lot of power.
I know. I'm just delivering some big firewood to our friend.
It's black walnut and we're gonna slab it. It's not firewood.
It's a spot.
Good. Here it comes. You're good. Yep, they're off. All right, so I'm very excited today. We are going to slab up that black walnut. Been waiting for this day since last fall when we felled that black walnut tree at my in-laws' property. Adam West, he is the gentleman who's going to be cutting up my wood, and he's got a nice bandsaw type mill that is going to cut those slabs up and cut the lumber out of there, and he's been doing it for quite some time.
Invested in this how many years ago, man? Five.
Okay, so you
Came from Missouri. Amish in Missouri.
okay? Brand new? Did you go or yeah? I think you have to. Yep.
And what a character the guy was. Really decent fella. But
Yeah.
really sort of passionate.
Oh yeah.
What was it he had a Jeep name?
Stanton.
Stanton.
No.
Oh wow. Stanton.
From Easy Boardwalk.
And what brand is this?
Easy Boardwalk.
Oh, that's the brand. Okay, of course.
Yeah. was.
Oh man, it's starting already, huh?
Sweet.
Look at that. He's starting to get right into it.
Mm-hmm.
That's awesome.
I'm just pushing it back here. No.
No rot. Good, good.
No rot.
Awesome.
The only rot may be, if I had to guess,
Would be in there. Yeah.
there was more. This.
Right, right. There's that hole there. Yep, yep. But again,
This
that
one-
might make it interesting too, right?
This one may have a little, but and there's some ants damage down on the bottom, but otherwise, yeah, I mean, nothing. So far, so good.
Yes, baby. All right.
Well, you can see how smooth it comes off the mill. I mean, it's not.
Oh my gosh, it's really, you know.
It's not like the walnut, especially. The walnut's really, really nice to cut.
Yeah, it
So.
just when it pops.
Yep.
Oh my gosh. Because it's fresh, you know, and it does cut very clean though. You know,
yeah,
you're
yeah.
right. It really does.
The walnut I've done, but limited walnut I've cut. That's been the
That's been the,
nicest.
yeah.
So. epoxy fill that.
Yeah, yeah.
We're not even into the good stuff.
I know. We're starting to get
Starting.
some of it, yeah.
At least into
you
the
can
hard
feel
one.
how wet it is, you
Oh,
know?
it's gonna be, yeah.
Pretty wet,
Yeah.
you know? And then this is different too down here. I mean, is this because of the ants and stuff, or is that just moisture soaking into the tail end of that?
Probably just moisture.
Moisture, yep, yep.